Welcome to the C3DT Galva Holes app tutorial. This app makes adding drainage holes for excess galvanization material a piece of cake. Within large assemblies, adding drainage holes can be a big task. With the app, the user can add or remove multiple holes from within the assembly itself with just a few clicks. Let's start off by adding drainage holes in the body of beams. This can, for example, be useful in mitred frames where pockets can form. On the Beam Ends tab, the amount of holes can be chosen as well as the offset from the edge to the center, the spacing between the holes, and the diameter of the holes. There is also the option to define the position of the holes from the side of the body to the tangent or to the center of the holes that will be placed. To select the entity in which you want to add the drainage holes, click Select Geometry. Next, click the edge of the profile where we want to add these holes, as well as the receiving surface. Under the buttons, the width of the surface is displayed as well as the distance to the edge of that surface to check if the spacing between the holes needs to be adjusted. If all parameters are as intended, click Add Holes, and the holes will appear in the desired positions. The user can easily repeat this process on other faces and/or profiles. On the second tab, Eccentric Holes, we are able to easily add drainage holes eccentric to the curve of a beam. This means that the user is able to define the spacing between the two tangent edges and the diameter of the hole. The hole overlength value is needed for when the hole depth has to be larger than the face thickness. This situation can, for example, occur when a hole is placed near the round inner edge of an H-beam. Select Single Select or Multi-Select to define the selection type. Clicking Add Holes, select Filleted Corner Faces for the positions the holes need to be added. Right-click and select Continue. Next, select the surface through which the holes have to be made. Just as easily as the previous methods, by selecting the tab, Center Holes Drainage and Pressure Relief Holes can be added in the center of profiles to surfaces. This will be done for round, square, and rectangular tubes. For this function, we have the options to predefine the hole diameter or hole diameter by offset. In the last case, the smallest diameter is calculated minus the offset defined. Here, it's again possible to add an overlength to the holes. For round tubes, click Select Cylinder. Select the round inner surface followed by the surface through which the hole must be made. With square or rectangular tubes, click Select Edges and select two opposite edges of the profile and the receiving surface. This works on profiles as well as sheet metal parts. To delete one or multiple holes, the button Delete Holes was added on each tab. This is done by selecting the feature that needs to be deleted. Right-click to continue, and the app will delete the selected holes. This tutorial explained the ways C3DT Galva holes can be used in combination with Autodesk Inventor. For other useful apps, or if you, as a designer, are in need for help with challenges within Autodesk Inventor, please visit our website or contact us. Until next time,